Hi, my name is Mrs. Day and I teach language arts. Arts. Reading, writing, listening, speaking. The arts of language. I like these foods. I like these books. I like these things. Though some of them I can't do right now. I believe in these things. I live with this person. Mwah. And this person. Mwah. And this person. And this person. Mwah. And this dog. Mwah.
And this dog. And this cat.
And this cat. They don't want my kisses though. And I can do this. That's not impressive. And I can do this. That's impressive. And this is my teddy bear. His name is Joe Bear. And if you are in my class, you can expect a teacher who cares way too much about teaching and cares way too much about English and cares not too much, cares a whole lot about her students. Welcome. I'm glad you're here.